Kampala Capital City Authority says it will by June next year have completed the transaction-related procedures that would see it secure 260 billion shillings for infrastructure projects from the bond market.
We'll be able to offset the debt using the income that will come from these projects. Like the example I gave you would be the parking towers in the city. I mean, for you to park there, you should be able to pay some money. So then we should use that money to repay until the debt is done, and then that becomes revenue to the institution moving forward.
However, the regulator is cautioning that the city authority will be subjected to a raft of advanced scrutiny ahead of sourcing for money from the public market.
One of the things we'll have to look at is the asset base of KCCA. What kind of assets do they have? What can they be, first of all, separated from those of government? You very well know the status of KCCA today. The issues of profitability in terms of their income will have to be looked into. And then, of course, accounting standards. As you know, KCCA, being part of government, uses a different accounting standard from that which we require.
KCCA says its corporate governance has since improved and would therefore enable it to qualify for the multi-billion shilling municipal bond.
But we've done a lot of reorganization, a lot of building systems, and we have gained a lot of public confidence in terms of what we do as a transparent institution. So one of the things we actually hold dearly is the value of transparency.
So it's even in the interest of KCCA to be as transparent as possible, to be well managed as possible, to be able to attract the long-term capital that they so much need, because that long-term capital is not going to come to an institution which is perceived to be not transparent or not well managed by the investors.
Infrastructure bonds are seen as much cheaper and more flexible than borrowing from the conventional financial institutions, whose interest rates are much higher and period for payment much shorter. Reina Ojan, NTV Business.